Hey everyone, good evening. I'm Chief Meteorologist Darrell Winninger from the Central Oregon Daily Weather Center. And across the high desert on this Tuesday, we've had a mixture of sunshine and cloud cover. Some showers pushed through the high desert, and winds have become breezy for most of our Tri-County area. Now, the next couple of days, we're still in an active weather pattern. So let's take a quick look at your most reliable forecast. Today is Tuesday, March the 4th. As some rain and snow showers are still expected, winds are going to remain gusty at times, especially as we go through the next couple of days. And by Thursday, we really start to see some clearing and a ridge of high pressure builds into the region. By late this week, more sunshine is in the planner and a warming trend sets up that brings us through the 50s and into the 60s. So satellite and radar does show that a cold front has been pushing through the Pacific Northwest. This is already fizzling out. We've already started to get even more sunshine. And when we look at the bigger picture, there's another wave of moisture further out over the Pacific Ocean. This is going to roll into the region during the next day or so. But more importantly, further to the south, off the California coastline, there's another low that's already developing. That low works its way into the Pacific Northwest, and that brings us a little bit more precipitation starting late tomorrow going through Thursday. So a quick look outside. We have some clouds over the Cascades, and we can actually see them from that Hoodoo camera looking to the north, where there's just a little bit of additional cloud cover. And then over the Tri-County area, the rest of Central Oregon, mostly sunshine, just some clouds out there. Now today, temperatures topped out in the 50s with some 40s across our Tri-County area, and tonight we fall back through the 40s and 30s into the 20s. Now a few 30s are still going to be left out there, and tomorrow we do not get much warming at all. Highs in the 40s with a few 50s. So here's our forecast model. Remember, we're tracking this wave of moisture and that low pressure system. Now for tonight, in and out clouds are expected. By Wednesday, a few flurries to start the day, possible. Then increasing clouds, scattered showers are expected, and we're starting to see that next low coming into the Pacific Northwest by 5 p.m. And that brings some wraparound moisture into our neck of the woods, so some snow showers are possible Wednesday night going into Thursday. Late Thursday, we could see a few more sprinkles and flurries because of that weak wave of moisture that's out over the Pacific Ocean, but really clearing. And then sunshine Friday and Saturday. This is when our next warming trend is set to take shape. So between now and Friday 11 p.m., a trace to maybe an inch with 1 to 3 inches in some of our higher elevations. So for tonight, 20s, few 30s. Wednesday brings 40s with a few 50s possible and some scattered showers. After that clearing on Thursday, we get our next warming trend. That brings us well above the average high of 52, well into the 60s, and our next chance of precipitation holds off until late in the 7-day planner. That's the latest in weather. Join us tonight on Central Oregon Daily News while the latest headlines and your most reliable forecast. See you then.